Hi guys, welcome to Fines TV Hobby Homeschool. This is a shorts on really just deciding what is our portion when we eat. You can eat anything, indulge in anything, like enjoy your meal depending on your piece of work, your activity for the day, your choice of food. It's really not, it really doesn't matter, but just maybe an idea, a hack that eating in portions, timing in tasting it, like how you chew your food. Maybe it could help, like lessening, indulging, yet we are concerned about our health. So this is a sample of chocolate muffins, blueberry muffins, and a piece of cookie that you can eat in portions. Again, this has been Carmina. Take care, you guys.